In Genesis chapter 3, the story takes a dramatic turn as the serpent, representing temptation and deceit, approaches Eve in the garden. The serpent convinces her to eat from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Despite God's clear command not to, Eve, tempted by the fruit's promise of wisdom, takes a bite and shares it with Adam, who also eats it. As soon as they do, their eyes are opened and they realize they are naked, feeling shame for the first time. In their guilt, they try to cover themselves with fig leaves. When God calls them, they hide, knowing they have disobeyed. God confronts them, and the serpent is cursed for leading them astray. While Eve and Adam also face consequences, Adam will now toil in the hard labor to cultivate the land, and Eve will experience pain in childbirth. Despite their fall, God provides them with garments of skin, a sign of His care. The chapter ends with Adam and Eve being banished from the Garden of Eden to prevent them from eating from the tree of life and living forever in their fallen state, marking the beginning of humanity's struggle with the sin and the need for redemption.